So I've got the first layer of glass done, there's 2 more layers to go, and on the third one I'll do a chemical bond with the fairing compound. So when the resin starts to tack off, you lay down your fairing compound and it just speeds things up a little bit more to go down here. Top decks are just about there, and then the port side, it might seem out of sequence the way I'm doing it, but I'm working around the weather, and so when I get each stage done I'm trying to get it sealed up. I don't want the timber getting damp, and we've had some pretty good weather, so I seal it up as we go, and then she's good to go. A few more days and I'll get another update to you.